if you are in Nigeria, this video is going to guide you step by step on how to order web hosting for yourself. Before we start, just a reminder, I made a video that was 6 months ago on this same hosting platform on how to order web hosting in Nigeria, but that kind of video is outmoded, so I find it necessary to make a new tutorial walking you through this concept. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing because I make videos related to WordPress, web hosting, cPanel, and a lot of things about web development. Okay, enough of the talking, let's get the tutorial started. So this is a hosting provider I talk about on this channel, and I have a link in the description which takes you to this same hosting provider, and with the help of this hosting provider you can order web hosting in your country, Nigeria, without hassles. Alright, so let's see how to implement this. So when you click on that link, it will take you to a page just like this, okay, and this is makihost.com. You can read more about Makihost, and then when you scroll down you can see this part of it, that is the hosting packages. The first one is the shared hosting plan, so that's what we want to deploy, and we can click on order hosting, and it will take us to the shared hosting page, and here you can see they have 3 packages: Go Basic, Standard, and Go Unlimited. Because you are starting, I recommend you stick with the Go Basic, so you click on order hosting. But before that, let me talk about the plans, okay, and what you get per plan. So with the Go Basic, you have the space to host 1 website. The Standard, you'll be able to host up to 5 websites, and the Go Unlimited, you can host up to unlimited websites. Talking about the Go Basic, you have 20 GB, the Standard 50 GB, and what Go unlimited storage. Okay, so go ahead and explore and read more about this, but here I'm going to walk you through how you can order this Go Basic plan. So you click on order hosting, okay, you click on order hosting, and it will take you to the domain registration page where you'll be entering your domain name here. So we're going to register our domain name and then continue the process. But before that, just scroll down a bit, you see this choose currency. Before you can make you can be able to make payment using any of the supported payment channels in your country to order hosting from this hosting provider, you need to change this currency to Nigerian Naira. Alright, okay, so you have to do that. It's a requirement in order for it to work for you. Okay, so now it's in Nigerian Naira. Okay, so you enter your domain name here. So I'll enter test as tutorial as my domain name, and this is a testing, or yeah, that's for tutorial purposes. You have to get creative and come out with your own unique domain name. Now after that, this is where you choose your TLD, and that's the ending part, that's the extension .com, .org, .base. Okay, so here you can choose .net, okay, .net, and then you can check to see if this domain name is still available for registration. Alright, so you can click on check to see, and congrats, the domain is still available for registration. So the next thing we will do is to continue to the next page. Okay, so you can click on continue. Okay, you can click on continue, and this is a review of our package. It's Go Basic with the features. When you go beneath this, you can see choose billing cycle. Alright, so click on it, and if you want to go longer, you can choose 2 years, 3 years, and with this you'll be able to save according to the number of years you actually stick with them. Okay, so but here let's just stick with them for 12 months. So 12 months. And then here are some add-ons. If you want them to integrate Google Analytics on your website, protect your website from hackers if the website is WordPress based, or let them put your website or submit it to search engines like Bing, Google. You can also select this. Okay, so but in this video I'm only showing how to make payment if you're in Nigeria and other hosting. So I don't need any of these. I'll click on continue. Okay, so click on continue, and here we are on domains configuration page. With this one, beneath this page you can see 3 add-ons. The first one is DNS. Just forget about that one. The second one is somehow important, and it's very important, not somehow, it's very important. That's ID protection, and this is what hides your identity on the internet, hide you or protect you from spammers. Okay, so you can mark this or check mark this to protect yourself from spammers, and this email forwarding. Okay, so if you need that you can choose, but here I only need ID protection. But if you don't need all of this, please just leave it and then click on continue. Okay, so you click on continue, and here is our review and checkout page. Okay, so you can review the services in your cart, and this is hosting and this is domain name. And you can see domain name is 0 naira, because when you are registering on MacuHost for the first time you get free domain. Okay, so that's free domain. Now in addition to that, to just make it easier for you, I've partnered with MacuHost to give my viewers, guests like you, 50% off. Okay, so that you push them to test to see how they perform. Okay, so you can put TUP 50 here. Okay, so you put TUP 50. Please make sure you put TUP 50 and then click on validate code. Okay, so click on validate code, and promotion code accepted. Your order has been updated and you're not paying this amount. Okay, and you click on check out. Okay, so you click on check out, and on this page you enter your first name, your last name, email, phone number, your company name, street, your country, that's Nigeria. Okay, and you enter your password, and when you get to this part of the page, please make sure you just leave it as rave. Okay, just leave it as rave. All right, so I'll fill my details and get you on the other side. Okay, so after you fill your details and click on complete order, a payment form will pop up. Okay, so we're waiting for the payment form to pop up, and this is the payment form. If you have a credit card, you can enter your card number, okay, and your CVV, okay, and then make payment. You can also pay using USSD, okay, pay with bank transfer, pay with Bata. You can pay with Pay Attitude or pay with Paga. So these are the payment channels available in your country. Okay, if you're ordering web hosting using your currency, okay, you get these options. Okay, and I think this is valuable. All right, this is very good since you have the chance to pay with bank. Maybe there are some hosting companies, your card may get declined, okay, leading to your account suspension. But I think if you have an option like this, okay, is good to utilize it. All right, so I hope this video has been informative. I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.